My company is Storied Design. I'm an architect. For work, I print architectural models. Going from FDM to resin was a huge leap, and moving from other resins to the Monocure 3D TENSILE resin has been another leap in regards to my workflow. The dimensional accuracy for this is great. I haven't had an issue with warping. I haven't had an issue with that odd bit that was meant to be square and it turned out curve. In regards to the strength of the resin, I've had instances where I've dropped it, and had it been anything other than TENSILE resin, I would expect it to have broken. It just holds up a lot better than other resins I've been able to use in the past. And with the printer that I'm using at the moment, it just took to it right away. It's quick, it's stable, it's dimensionally accurate. I harp on about those thin supports, but they are just so much easier to work with. I can't express enough, it's been a game changer of a resin. The cleaning up, small little divots from tiny supports, and then the sanding, it just sands wonderfully. It takes paint very well. Tried polishing, and I've had people turn around and ask me if it's an injection molded piece. The odor, what odor? Compared to some of the stuff I've used in the past, I haven't been able to be in the same room. In regards to accuracy with my models, it's crucial, because very rarely do I do a single story home that has got a roof. So my pieces really need to be able to slot together correctly. In regards to the color, gray picks up every shadow, every contour on the wall. So it gives people a sense of what they can expect to see in the future when their home is built.